Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to share ChatGPT Conversation with anyone. Now, first of all, make sure that you have installed ChatGPT on your smartphone. Now, to do that, just go to the Play Store. Now, from here, search ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, I have already installed ChatGPT on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet on your smartphone, just tap on Install, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, let's ask ChatGPT something like, now as you can see, I have asked ChatGPT to generate an image of a cat drinking tea in Paris. Now as you can see, now if you want to share this conversation with someone, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on Share. Now, as you can see, it is generating a link of our conversation to share. Now, as you can see, currently it is showing anonymous, but if you tap on the three dots, you can share your name, just like that. And also, if you tap on the three dots, from here, you can edit the title, just like that. Tap on Rename. Now from here, just tap on Share Link, and it will generate a link of this conversation. Now from here, you can choose on which platform you want to share this conversation. Now let's check if this link works. Just copy the link. Now from here, let's paste it over here. Now from here, let's tap on Google search. Now as you can see, it is showing that it is a link of a shared conversation, and from here you can see the conversation we had with ChatGPT earlier. Generate an image of a cat drinking tea in Paris, and from here, if you tap on continue conversation, you can continue the conversation. And this is how you can share ChatGPT conversation with anyone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.